Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel The DIY Sim. Today in this video I am going to install cabin air filter in my 2020 Toyota Corolla LE. I bought this car in September 2020. It's more than 2 years. I never changed cabin air filter in my car, so I believe now it's time to change. So without further ado, first I will show you the unboxing from where I bought this product, and then I will tell you step by step how you have to remove the glove box and locate the cabin air filter and how to replace. Let's jump into that. So as you can see friends, I bought this cabin air filter. This is genuine Toyota parts. I bought it from Brampton authorized service center. So this is the filter, and I can show you the bill. It's for $38.95 before taxes. So along with that I bought one brake fluid for top up. That's it. So this says cabin air filter element, so it's genuine product. Okay, so here the directions are given: upside, upside. That's it. So let's open this glove box, then jump into the installation. So first of all, open the glove box. Whatever things you have inside, just keep it on side. Mine one is not having hydraulic stud over here, hydraulic, which keeps the opening and closing of glove box smooth, so it's very easy to remove. So press this lock from one side and press the other one. So these both, you can remove only one lock first, then unlock this hinge, so it will come this side. So in this way the glove box is out. You can keep it on side. So now we'll see where it's located, then we'll replace it with the new one. So after removing the glove box, you will see this view under the glove box area. So you will see the cover. It's written up over there. So it's just locked like this. So you have to pinch it and slide it like this. So you have to follow this direction while installing the new one also. As you can see friends, it's really dirty. I should have changed it. So I will replace it with the new one. Before installing the new element, filter element, make sure you clean the holder, filter holder. That's it. The same way, before installing this cabin air filter tray, make sure no leaves or no residue is resting on the fan on this area. Once clear, just insert it the way you have taken it out. Here we go. So it's time to install the cover. So now it's time to reinstall the glove box. So here we go. Make sure it's working properly. Friends, installation of cabin air filter is done. Now I'm going to test the blower sound. I will see if there is any improvement in the blower sound, because the old filter was choked and kind of stuck, so there may be chances that the sound will reduce. Let's check it out. Now the blower is on speed number 1, speed number 2. On this speed 1, 2 and 3, the blower was even quiet with the old filter also. I have to check it on the higher speeds. I believe there is improvement in the blower noise also, as the airflow becomes proper. There is no hurdle in between blower and the vents because of the dirty cabin air filter. So the blower noise has also improved. So this was all about how to install cabin air filter in your 2020 Toyota Corolla LE. Hope this video will help you out in doing the same. Thanks for watching. God much bless all.